Basically, you take a loan from the bank. We charges a compound interest 5% per annum. So 5% per annum means a year. Okay, so this is the rate. And then compounded by annually. So biannually, what's the meaning of biannually? So every what? Every two what? Every 2 years? Or every 6 months? Can you Google it?
Twice a year.
Huh? Twice a year? So every 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Can you double check? Biannually is every 6 months, not every 2 years? Can you Google it and help me confirm also? What is biannually?
I found this on the web.
Okay, never mind. So what is biannually? Every 2 years or every 6 months?
Every 6 months.
Okay, good, very good. So yes, so the rate is 5% per year, and then the compounding is every 6 months, right? So therefore, you need to get the rate. Because of this statement, every 6 months biannually, so you need to get the rate to 6 months rate. So 6 months, what's the rate? If 5% per year, 6 months, what's the rate? The year you divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
So your rate also must also divide by 2 lah. So therefore it's 2.5% per 6 months. So this is the rate you put into the rate here. Okay, later on.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one. Next, given that Bernard had to pay 151.88 in interest payment at the end of first year. So this is the interest payment. This is, can you read the question one more time? This is the interest payment. This is not the principal. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear? So basically, for this question, the interest payment 151.88, right? This 151.88 is the interest. So the interest plus the principal will give you the total. So this is where you put on here. Or this is where, that means this whole thing is your total. The interest plus the principal will give you the total. So you put it into the left hand side of this formula. And then principal times 1 plus the rate is 2.5% per 6 months, right? Because the compounding is every 6 months. So the period is 1 year. How many? 6 months, right? 1 year is 6 months, right? So therefore you put a 2 here. So the key idea here is this: the rate in year, the end also must be in year. Okay? So now the rate is in what? The rate is in 6 months. So your this end also must be in 6 months. Therefore this is 6 months, and then this is 2.5% per 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay? So with this, then you can figure out the P already. Can you help me out with the calculator? So this is the left hand side is this. Then the right hand side is P times. Can you use the calculator to help me out to figure this? Oh, actually I also have a calculator. I can also do it on my side, but I want you to go through the motion also. Okay, I get the answer already. Have you?
Yeah.
What is the answer? 1.050625, correct.
Yeah.
So now you need to move the P over. So this is 1.050625 P. You move the plus P over, becomes minus P, right? So 151.88 equals to 1.050625 minus 1 lor. So you get 0.050625p. So how do you get p? You divide by the 0.0506. Basically you divide by this on the right hand side, then you get the p. Then you also
Yeah.
divide by this on the left hand side. So I get 151.88 divided by the answer. Okay, I get 144.56. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Correct. So this is the one. Doesn't seem right. Let me double check the answer. So 1.050625 minus 1. Then 151.88 divided by the answer. Yeah, wrong. I key in wrongly, so the right answer should be 3,000 plus. So it's 3,000. Yeah. When it comes to dollar, they say what? Give answer correct to the nearest dollar. Okay, so it's $3,000. Yes. Okay, so P equals to 3,000. Okay. Good. So that's how you get this answer.